Hey guys, it's your girl Naturally Nata here, and I'm back with another video. Today I'm doing another wig review for you guys. We're going to be reviewing this wig right here. This is the Bobbi Boss Lace Front Wig in MLF 136 RTS Yara. This is Yara Roots. They're in special colors. I know summer is coming to an end, but it's not over yet, so let's keep it going with these bright, fun colored wigs. These wigs are limited edition. As you can see, Yara is a very best-selling, like very popular wig. If you are a wig wearer, I'm sure you know. But these are the specially colored illusion roots type of wigs. So they come in fun colors like the one I have right here, which is NRT.GRNPNK. But they also come in other colors like icy white, icy lemon, icy mint. They're very fun colored, and they're just a new take on the popular Yara wigs. It does come with two clips on either side of the 5-inch deep lace part, and also a clip in the back, and also it comes with the bra strings, which is all very standard for wigs. And I'm going to go ahead and clip this lace because it is a lace front. And now that the lace is clipped, I'm going to go ahead and apply the wig to my head. I'm going to take those two clips, which are pretty far on the sides of my head, not close to the part. They are more closer to your ears. And I'm just going to clip those in right before my hairline, just to secure the wig in place and to see how it looks with no type of adhesive, no type of spray or anything, just to see how it looks. So this is how the wig looks straight out of the box, and with no adhesive, no glue, no hairspray, nothing. And as you can see, it looks really good. I love the blunt cut and how it's a little bit asymmetrical. It's shorter in the back and then comes down a bit towards the front. But you know me, I'm going to do just a little bit of customization to this wig. You do not have to do much, like I said, but I just wanted to pluck a little bit of the hairs out on the front of the part. I do this all the time. You've seen me do it if you watch any of my wig reviews. So I'm just going to do that just to widen it in the front, just a little bit. Okay, so this is how it looks once I get done plucking a lot of the hairs out close to the front of the hairline. Now I'm going to go in with my favorite Got To Be Glued Blasting Freeze Spray, and I'm just going to spray that right on the front of the part area where I want that lace to stick to my forehead. Now I'm going to take the L'Oreal True Match Foundation. This is the same foundation that I use on my face. It's in C7 Nut Brown. And I'm just taking a small little angled brush, and I'm going to apply some right to that front area also, on the actual lace part and on my forehead just a little bit. That will just make the part show up more prominently and make it look more natural. That's it for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. This wig is so unique. It is a unicorn cotton candy dip dye dream. It has a lot going on, and it gives you all those summer feels also. And summer's not over yet, so get your hands on one of these Yara wigs. Even the regular normal colors of Yara are amazing. So Yara is just a good wig to have on hand. I hope you guys enjoyed once again, and I cannot wait to hopefully see you in my next one. Bye-bye.
Honestly